Imagine zipping across landscapes, city to city, in a blink. Welcome to the future of travel. Meet the SC Maglev, the fastest train in the world, hitting a top speed of a whopping 373 miles per hour. Forget the terms slow and steady wins the race. This Japanese marvel is all about speed and precision, utilizing superconducting magnetic levitation technology. An invisible force lifting the train off the tracks, reducing friction to nearly zero. It's not just a train, it's a revolution in transportation. So next time you're in a hurry, remember the Maglev. Because why crawl when you can fly on rails? Stay tuned for more fascinating facts.